Welcome to DiscoveryDepot YT. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to transfer your USDT from SafePal Wallet to Binance securely. Whether you're moving funds for trading, staking, or holding, we've got you covered. Cryptocurrency is becoming more popular. With its rise, more people are looking to invest and trade in digital currencies. It's important to move your crypto safely. Ensuring the security of your digital assets is crucial to avoid any potential losses. Think of your crypto like your money. Just as you wouldn't leave cash lying around, you need to protect your digital currency. You want to make sure it gets where it needs to go. Whether you're transferring funds to a friend or moving assets to a different wallet, accuracy is key. This guide will show you how to move your USDT. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin that many people use for transactions. We'll move it from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. SafePal and Binance are both trusted platforms in the crypto community. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. With a few simple steps, you'll be able to transfer your USDT seamlessly. Moving crypto is like sending an email. You need to ensure you have the correct recipient address to avoid any mistakes. You need the right address. Double-checking the address before sending is a good practice to prevent errors. We'll walk you through each step. From entering the address to confirming the transaction, we've got you covered. You'll be a crypto pro in no time. With practice, moving your digital assets will become second nature. Follow along and let's make your transfer. By the end of this guide, you'll have the confidence to move your crypto safely and efficiently. Before we start, let's talk about Binance and SafePal. Binance is like a stock market for crypto. You can buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies there. SafePal is like your personal crypto wallet. It's where you store your crypto securely. We're going to move USDT. USDT is a stablecoin. Its value is pegged to the US dollar. This makes it a popular choice for crypto transactions. Think of this guide as a roadmap. We're going on a trip from SafePal to Binance. Just like roads, there are different networks for transferring crypto. The most common ones are ERC20, BEP20, and TRC20. Choosing the wrong network is like taking a wrong turn. Your USDT might get lost. Always double-check that you're using the same network on both Binance and SafePal. This ensures your USDT arrives safely. If you're unsure about which network to choose, check Binance's deposit instructions for USDT. To receive USDT on Binance, you need a deposit address. Think of it as your Binance account number for USDT. Log into your Binance account and go to your wallet. Find USDT and click on Deposit. Select the correct network, ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20, that matches your SafePal wallet. Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. This is the address you'll copy. Make sure it's the correct one. Your USDT will be sent to this address. Section 5. Initiating the transfer. Sending USDT from SafePal. In this section, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of sending USDT from your SafePal wallet to another address, such as Binance. This is a crucial skill for managing your cryptocurrency assets effectively. First, open your SafePal Wallet app on your smartphone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the transaction. Navigate to your USDT balance by selecting the USDT option from your list of assets. This will show you the current balance of USDT in your wallet. Click on the Send button. You will then need to paste the Binance deposit address that you copied earlier. Make sure you have the correct address to avoid any mistakes. Always double-check the address before proceeding. Crypto transactions are irreversible, and sending to the wrong address means you will lose your funds permanently. Once sent, you can't get your USDT back if it's the wrong address. This is why it's crucial to verify the address multiple times before confirming the transaction. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be mindful of the amount you are sending and ensure it is within your available balance. Some networks may have fees associated with the transaction. These fees can vary, so make sure to factor them in when deciding the amount to send. When you're ready, review all the transaction details carefully. Once you are certain everything is correct, click the Send button to initiate the transfer. Your USDT will be on its way to the specified address. Section 6. Double-checking for safety. Avoiding costly mistakes. Before you hit that final confirmation button, take a deep breath. This is your last chance to make sure everything is correct. Check the network one more time. Is it the same one you selected on Binance? Check the address again. Is it the exact address you copied from Binance? Even a small mistake can result in losing your USDT. Section 7. Waiting game. Transaction confirmation time. Congratulations! You've successfully initiated your USDT transfer. Now, it's time to wait. Crypto transactions need to be confirmed on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, or up to an hour depending on the network traffic. You can track the transaction status on your SafePal app or on a blockchain explorer using your transaction ID. Section 8. Mission accomplished. Transfer summary and tips. Once the transaction is confirmed, your USDT will appear in your Binance account. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your funds have safely made the journey from one platform to another. You've successfully transferred your USDT from SafePal to Binance. This is a significant achievement, especially if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency. It means you've navigated the complexities of digital wallets and blockchain networks. To recap, remember these key points. These tips will help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure a smooth transfer process. Always double-check the network, ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20, on both platforms. Choosing the wrong network can result in lost funds, so this step is critical. Copy and paste the deposit address carefully. A single mistake in the address can lead to irreversible loss of your cryptocurrency. Confirm all the details before finalizing the transaction. This includes the amount, the address, and the network. Double-checking can save you from costly errors. Be patient and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Blockchain transactions can take some time, depending on network congestion. Transferring crypto might seem daunting at first. The process involves multiple steps and can be confusing for beginners, but with practice, it becomes second nature. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll become with the process. Just like learning to drive, it gets easier over time. The initial learning curve might be steep, but persistence pays off. Follow these steps, stay informed, and you'll be navigating the world of crypto transfers like a pro in no time. Keep educating yourself. Stay updated with the latest trends and security practices, and soon you'll handle crypto transfers with ease and confidence.